How to link Shopify to Wix website. I'm going to show you how you can easily link Shopify to the Wix website. First things first, you will need to create and customize your Shopify store. Then, fill it with your products, establish payment options, and set up shipping rules. Within your Shopify dashboard, navigate to the Buy button section and create a button for the product or collection you want to showcase on your Wix website. Shopify will generate a snippet of code for you to use. Armed with the embed code, head over to your Wix site editor. Then, decide where you would like your Shopify storefront to appear and add an HTML code widget to that spot. Next, paste the embed code you acquired from Shopify, and voila! Your Shopify Buy button becomes part of your Wix site. Now that the essential integration is complete, it's time to fine-tune the details. Customize the appearance of your Buy button within Wix to make sure it aligns with the rest of your site design. Once satisfied, publish your updated Wix site.